with this process and how it's different is the abrasive doesn't impact the surface with force like it does in a dry blasting process. And most people that operate a dry blasting machine will tell you how extremely dirty and messy the process is, and then also how frustrating it can be. What we do is you combine the same abrasives that are normally used in a dry blasting machine, but we combine it with water. And sometimes a detergent, if you need a detergent in the water, or if you need some sort of rust preventative in the water. And what it does is it flows across the surface. And think about thousands of tiny little abrasive particles running across the surface, scrubbing away the contaminants, not forcefully hitting the part surface and abrading the contaminants, but rolling across the surface. And that's where your finishes are different. The consistency that you get with this process is far superior to any dry blasting machine ever. And I always tell people it follows the topography of a surface. You're gonna see striations, you're gonna see lines, even grooves with a dry blasting machine. With this machine, the flow-based nature of the slurry is gonna cover every piece and every bit of surface area on the part. You know, I perceive dry blasting to be an excellent means for surface preparation with steel components because you can't damage those components. Nowhere near like you can a soft aluminum piece or a brass piece of that nature. You know, but what you can do with a vapor honing machine or vapor blasting machine is you can do all of the above. You can one day prep for coatings or prep the surface, and the next day you might be finishing that part. And when I mean finishing, something that's visually acceptable in whatever industry that's in. You know, whether it's the jewelry market, whether it's the CNC machining market, or the restoration markets. We have, you know, a product line that spans the entire market.